Across the Department of Defense, teams face a daily trade-off. Use insecure, manual task trackers like spreadsheets and email, or lock into rigid, expensive enterprise systems that can't adapt to real mission needs. The result? A critical lack of visibility, delayed mission timelines, and unnecessary security risks. This isn't a niche issue, it's systemic. From HQ down to operational units, leaders can't see the full mission picture and tasks fall through the cracks. Tasker by DTech Apps changes the game. Built entirely on DoD-owned ServiceNow infrastructure, Tasker gives organizations a secure, dynamic way to turn mission requirements into trackable, auditable actions without expensive custom development. Let's start with an email. Working from an inbox is inefficient and chaotic. Collaboration is painstaking, and managers are left in the dark on status. Tasker takes inbox chaos and transforms it into real trackable tasks on a lightweight system built for the DoD. Tasker automatically converts emails into tasks, including needed subtasks using a pre-built template. Templates allow organizations to build out common tasks for easy, repeated use, saving time. Tasks are represented intuitively as trees for increased visibility across the entirety of the task. Unlike base ServiceNow workflow, Tasker is dynamic. Many tasks that need to be managed change and evolve throughout their lifecycle. Other tools lock you into a process requiring you to restart and change the task at creation to adapt to the task as it changes. However, Tasker adapts instantly, allowing organizations to make changes on the fly, like reassignments and creating subtasks. On the fly without restarting, ensuring your tasking solution can evolve with the nature of your work because real missions don't follow static workflows. Let's fast forward to a future state of this task. The colors of the task tree represent the status and states of the task and its subtasks. Users can quickly gain key insights across the task, including bottlenecks and approaching deadlines, increasing accountability and auditability across the chain. And jumping ahead one more time, here we see the completed task, audible at each step along the way for real-time clarity. Powering Tasker is the organizational hierarchy, which models and manages the structure of the organization, allowing for role-based access, full auditability and visibility across all work being done, and privacy features for sectioning off parts of the organization that need to stay separate. Furthermore, Tasker leverages ServiceNow's robust reporting and dashboarding capabilities and includes pre-built dashboards that visualize critical task data. All reports are dynamic and drillable, thanks to ServiceNow giving leadership a complete 360-degree view of their organization's work. In under 3 minutes, we've gone from inbox chaos to mission clarity, all using tools familiar to the DoD. Tasker follows a simple, affordable SaaS per-user model. No integration, hosting, or infrastructure costs. It sits entirely within existing ServiceNow environments, dramatically reducing ATO friction and recurring sustainment burden. Tasker's organizational hierarchy, templating, and low cost make it perfect for tasking across the entire organization. Tasks normally done manually with spreadsheets and email that can reach all personnel, such as weekly activity report or data calls, are among the many use cases that DoD agencies are already leveraging Tasker for. DoD IG and GOA reports consistently show that manual task tracking leads to delays, duplicated effort, and significant time spent simply determining task status rather than executing. Even with conservative estimates of just a few minutes saved per task, the impact is substantial. Hundreds of thousands of tasks, like weekly activity reports, multiplied across the enterprise results in thousands of labor hours reclaimed every year, representing millions of dollars in avoided costs and far greater mission clarity. Furthermore, organizations using ServiceNow can see additional efficiencies and cost savings by extending ServiceNow's reach without the need for expensive fulfiller licenses. Tasker embeds in any ServiceNow application, including custom-built apps, allowing for tasking relating to key ServiceNow workflows. Instead of needing a fulfiller license for that application, a user with a Tasker license can be brought to speed with a task related to the record and can collaborate with their fellow personnel. We at DTech Apps encourage our customers to embed task in all of their ServiceNow applications, bringing affordable tasking and the extension of ServiceNow capabilities across the organization. The alternative to Tasker is the status quo: insecure manual trackers or inflexible, costly enterprise tools, neither of which can efficiently adapt with your organization's day-to-day tasking needs. Already, thousands of DoD personnel rely on Tasker to manage more than 500,000 tasks across commands. Tasker runs on the DoD's existing high FedRamp ServiceNow platform. No new infrastructure, no maintenance burden. It's dynamically configurable to each unit's workflow, delivering agility at scale without sacrificing confidence and security. This allows organizations to go against the status quo with a quick, time-to-value cost solution purpose-built for the DoD.